Why do we snore? Hi and welcome to Scientific Dude. I am Pranav Rao and today's question: why do we snore? During sleep, some people snore. But why? Let me give you an introduction. Just about everyone snores occasionally, and it's usually not something to worry about. But if you regularly snore at night, it can disrupt the quality of your sleep, leading to daytime fatigue, irritability, and increased health problems. And if your snoring keeps your partner awake, it can create major relationship problems too. Thankfully, sleeping in separate bedrooms isn't the only remedy for snoring. There are many effective solutions that can help both you and your partner sleep better at night and overcome the relationship problems caused when one person snores. So, what causes snoring? Snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, which produces the familiar snoring sound. People who snore often have too much throat and nasal tissue or floppy tissue that is more prone to vibrate. Factor number 1: age. As you reach middle age and beyond, your throat becomes narrower and the muscle tone in your throat decreases. Being overweight or out of shape, fatty tissue and poor muscle tone contribute to snoring. Number 3. The way you are built. Men have narrower air passages than women and are more likely to snore. Number 4. Nasal and sinus problems. Blocked airways or a stuffy nose make inhalation difficult and create a vacuum in the throat, leading to snoring. Last but not the least, sleep posture. Sleeping flat on your back causes the flesh of your throat to relax and block the airway. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more everyday science videos. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and follow my page in Facebook.